We're not unique in the aggregate industries. We have conveyor belts to convey our sands to the processing plant after they've been washed. And again, we're not unique in that these conveyor belts cause spillages, whether it be at the head end or the tail end of the conveyors or under the return rollers. It is a problem because the potential is to cause downtime, high maintenance costs. There's a risk to health and safety when you're coming in to clean conveyor belts. Normally it would be through manual handling, shovels, the old conventional way, 2 or 3 guys with the plant down.
About 3 years ago, when I was just finishing my apprenticeship, I was sort of sick and tired of shoveling. I thought there was an easier way of removing the spillages under conveyors. So I thought about utilising the telehandler. And the more conventional bucket that we have, you can't exactly fit under some of the low conveyors we have on site. So we designed this scoop with a low profile so it fits under the majority of our conveyors here. This is designed to be about 1.5 metres long, which is the maximum width of any of our conveyors on site. The telehandler has a reach of about 13 metres, so it can reach high and it can reach low and it can reach far. You're looking at about 1/4 ton. It can pick up.
That's a lot of shovels.
That is a lot of shovels.